Yeah, you'll learn how to skate. It'll get you out there this winter. It's not as good ice though.
Hello. How are you? Woo! Hello, Alicia. Can you show me something?
There she goes. That's pretty good. You still do that?
I think so. Challenge.
Good job.
I'd go on my butt right about there. Black.
Oh, look, you can do one foot.
Hey, Talon.
You're actually pulling Christopher on.
That's even better with Talon. It was. Because, you know, you're so heavy.
Maybe, Brittany, do you want to put your boots back on?
You were so little back then. Mama feet are huge.
Do you want me to take them? No? Okay.
You just keep it down.